educators, want to make your panel more interesting and more interactive? Well, we can make it as simple as using the interface of Apple. How exactly it's done? Let me show it to you. Now, from here, you can actually literally drag and drop all the applications that you will use quite often. For example, if you know that you're using Mosaic 3D application quite often, if you know that you're going to use YouTube quite often, just drag and drop it here, and you have all of those features. You can place it anywhere possible, you can rearrange it to them. The point being that because of this customization, it helps educators to make their content timely and put priority of what exactly needs to be there at the front. Thank you so much.